National 5 biology students, let's do this past paper question together. So this one says, Hawaiian honeycreepers are species of birds that have evolved from a single ancestor to have different shapes of beak. This is an example of speciation. Okay, for speciation to occur, a population must be split by an isolation barrier. Name one type of isolation barrier. So there are three different types that you guys should know about from your studies. They are geographical, okay, where there's a physical geographical barrier like an earthquake or an ocean or a river or something like that. Ecological or behavioural. Okay, you could choose any one of those three. You don't have to put all three for that answer. Different mutations occurred in each subpopulation of honeycreepers after a population was split. Name the molecule within a cell in which mutations would occur. Mutations would occur within our DNA, within our base sequence in our DNA. Part 2, name one environmental factor which increases the rate of mutation. There's a couple of things you could say here. The most common one I see answered is radiation, but you could also say chemicals. Okay. C, suggests the selection pressure that could have led to the differences in the honeycreepers shown in the diagram. Now, because the changes in these honeycreepers are in terms of the shape of their beak, that's probably then likely to do with their food. Okay, what would be the selection pressure? It would be competition. Okay, it's quite often competition is the selection pressure for something, for some sort of resource that's in short supply. Okay, so competition for food would be acceptable for this one. And explain what is meant by the term species. Again, this is a definition one, so if you don't know this, go away and learn it after this. Organisms that can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. And if you don't know this one yet, that's well worth looking up, because it does come up a reasonable amount of the time, and it could well come up in your exam this year, either your prelim or your final exam, so look it up. Okay folks, I hope that helps. See you in the next one.